What is up, guys? It is just the Pain back here again with another motovlog video, and today we're riding with the homie Joseph. He got a new dirt bike. It's a Chinese MX pit bike. It's awesome. We just got done talking to some guys we can ride in all of this vlogging area, and you know, it's better than the power lines, and it's kind of nice to have people that will, you know, be nice to dirt bikers. It's all about dating with the community and being nice. And if you guys are dirt bikers, don't try to make the whole community mad, because you gotta be as nice as you can. And that stick just went right in my stomach. Oh man, that was dust. Oh, this is kind of awesome. Little logging trails. Oh man, this is kind of sketchy, but kind of cool at the same time. Oh, look at that, we got the lake. Looks awesome. Looking pretty good. Gotta go swimming in there. A little dirty, but who cares? Whoa. Tires sliding out. Ooh. And this is a fairly new tire, but it's probably because I ride road a lot though. Oh, this is way better. You almost crashed. Oh. Oh, that's a straight cliff too. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, I think this is someone's yard. Oh, kill switch. Turn it. You good? Oh man, we just came up from a hill climb. I didn't get it on video. I thought I was recording, but if I can, I'll throw a picture in like right here. Oh man, it looks pretty cool. Make sure the homie's doing good. It's like a dead cliff right there. Holy crap. Oh, that's tight. It might not look that like bumpy on camera, but it's pretty scary. Especially because we're riding right on loose dirt and there's cliffs. So guys, I'm probably going to end the video right here, but I guess if you guys like today's video, please like and subscribe, and until next time.